For over 21 years, Ryonet's helped over 200,000 screen printers start and make the biggest dreams come true. Well now, with Pigskins and Pigtails, we're gonna help you make your small dreams come true too. Let's make it happen. Step 1, degrease your screens. Step 2, dry your screens. Step 3, we're gonna coat our screens. How are we gonna dry these mini screens? I'm not very good at coating mini screens, I'll tell you that. I'm gonna use paint sticks to stack my screens up, give them airflow underneath there. Save even the smallest amount of emulsion. Next, we're gonna print the film. Next, we're going to expose our screen. Oh, look how fast that sucked down. Boop. Ding! Oh, I can see the littlest image in there. Let's wash it out. Look at the little guy. Sun's working today in Washington, so we're gonna let it dry outside. With your mini screen printing kit, you get your mini press, mini print grip, 3 mini screens, 3 mini squeegees, and a mini Baselayr scoop coater. Next, we're gonna tape the little tiny screen. Peel our print grip, load our little tiny homemade shirt. Set up our screen. Load up the smallest amount of ink. And then, let's make our print. And there you have it, the Pigskins and Pigtails mini screen printing kit. Proof that we all start small, but can do big things. Mini dreams, tiniest. Tiny mini dreams.